Hey, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to help simplify holistic living by giving you 4 daily reminders to help keep you on track. If you're coming to this video and have no idea what holistic living is, I do have an entire video explaining it. I will link it down below so that I'm not going to be too repetitive in this video, but for a very simple overview, holistic living basically means caring for your entire being and seeing your entire being as connected. So body, mind, and soul, spirit. So your reminders for today are going to include one kind of overarching reminder for holistic living and then 3 that are more specific. So one for the body, one for the mind, one for the soul, spirit. I know that it can definitely feel overwhelming thinking about trying to care for all of these parts, body, mind, soul, spirit, and especially the body, because a lot could definitely go into that. But at the end of the day, you really need to remember that all 3 parts are connected in this human experience. So when you care for one, you're caring for the others without even thinking about it. Yes, the point of living more holistically is to remember to nurture all of these parts, but a great first step is simply just remembering their connection. If you showed up for a workout that day, that's amazing. And yes, that was an action that was tailored to your body, but yes, it could also positively impact your mind. That's holistic living. If you showed up for a meditation because you wanted to quiet your mind, also amazing. That also helped your body to rest and it helped you with your energy flow. That's holistic living. So any action you're taking is amazing. What impacts one is going to impact the whole. And I hope this reminder makes your holistic journey a little easier to approach and embrace. So that was your first reminder, a little more general kind of holistic living reminder. Our next 3 are going to be more specific to body, mind, soul. So first up, we'll talk a little bit about the body. And this reminder that I have for you is to remember that your body is a sacred vessel for this human experience. If you don't like the word sacred, that's okay. You could also simply think of your body as your home in this human experience. This simple reminder will make it more likely for you to choose things that are more holistic and healthy for your body, just like you would care for your actual house or you would care for like your car to keep it running as smoothly as possible. We want to make choices that keep our body as healthy as is possible. And that doesn't mean you can never eat something unhealthy, but we want to make healthier choices more often than not. This simple thought, my body is my home, my body is a sacred vessel, can help you to make those better choices, to feed your body foods that are nutritious, to take time for movement, to prioritize sleep health. So it's just a little mindset shift to change how you view your body, and hopefully that will help you on your holistic living journey. Okay, our next reminder is that while you may not be able to control every thought that comes into your mind, you do have a say in where you place your attention. We often have more power over our mind than we think, and I know this is not always easy. As someone with OCD, there are for sure moments where my mind feels completely overwhelming and out of my control. But something that helps me a lot with my mindset is remembering the second Yoga Sutra. And this sutra reminds us that part of our practice in this human experience is learning how to work with those fluctuations in our mind and trying not to let them rule over us. We can choose if we feel bound or liberated. So while my brain may naturally lean toward more obsessive patterns, I can still choose over and over again where I place my focus. I can choose to focus on creating more space for peace, love, abundance, gratitude. And again, I know that this is not always easy, but sometimes that reminder of I can choose where I place my attention can be very powerful for your mindset. Okay, last holistic living reminder is to look for spirit energy around you in your daily life. This is an easy way to keep a spiritual practice alive through the day. And I'm not saying you're actually looking for spirits. If you can see them, that's cool. But I just mean seeing the spiritual connection that is all around us. In my yoga teacher training, my teacher described that many people walk around spiritually asleep. When you're spiritually asleep, you tend to miss the abundance of spirit and love that is all around us. By simply choosing to be open and to see spirit or energy or love, light around you, it starts to make you more spiritually awake. Some very tangible ways to connect with spiritual energy throughout your day would be noticing the energy on a fresh spring day, or the light and life of the birds around you, a flower blooming, the energy of a truly positive person or of someone helping others. These are tangible ways to start to connect with this. Maybe you're also open to receiving messages or seeing signs from spirits around you. It doesn't have to be that, but just reminding yourself to try to be a little more open to the spiritual energy around you in your daily life is really powerful on a holistic living journey. So those are your 4 reminders. I hope that they make this path a little easier and more approachable. I do have a checklist, a holistic living checklist that you could sign up for, and I will email it to you. It basically gives you more actionable tips on there if you would like that. So I'll put a link to that in the description down below. And if you're looking for more guidance on your holistic living journey, maybe come join my Patreon community. There are options for both yoga and meditation. So if you don't necessarily practice physical yoga practices, you could still join the other tier and be part of the community over there. I will also link that in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye, guys.